Aloha, everyone. I hope you are enjoying your day to the fullest. Welcome to Dr. P's Facets of Life series of podcasts. This is pod number 47. Today's topic, health, wellness, and self-nurturing. My work is mostly about self-help, and self-help is all about life strategies. Those strategies are about how we approach life's issues in ways that allow us to minimize stress, increase joy, and accomplish our goals. Health and wellness is not just about the absence of disease, it's about the optimum balance between mind, body, and spirit. And that balance is achieved by a process of self-nurturing. It is my belief that the purpose of understanding the connection between the mind and the body is one of survival. By survival, I mean surviving all that life throws at us and all that we impose on ourselves. Moreover, I believe that understanding the mind-body connection will improve your overall quality of life as well as the practice of wellness principles in your life. In the past, our healthcare systems have focused mostly on making ailing bodies well, without reference to the dominance of the mind. Instead, as many of us now know, we should be treating individuals in a more holistic way, incorporating body and mind whenever appropriate. It is my professional and personal belief that the immune system is at the center of our physical health, and that when compromised or suppressed, the body becomes more susceptible to breakdown and disease. Stress plays a huge role in negatively affecting the immune system, making us vulnerable to modern disease. I believe that wellness is, in large part, affected by things we can control, such as our lifestyle and behavior. Granted, there are many factors beyond our control, like genetics, environment, gender, age, bacteria, and viruses. What I want to do is help you create an awareness of your mind-body connection so that you might gain an effective level of self-control over your personal health and wellness. One of the first things you need to be aware of is the role that stress plays in your life. Then try to honestly assess the extent to which it really affects your health. Once you've done that, you need to determine what stressors you can eliminate, modify, or better manage. You can get more information about that process by listening to my pod number 13 and pod number 42 as well. You know, it has been said by many healthcare professionals that the best form of medicine and prevention is diet, exercise, and rest. Within the framework of rest, I would include relaxation techniques because when done with regularity, they can be very effective stress reducers. I want to say one more thing about stress. When we are stressed, certain hormones are released into our bloodstream, which can undermine our immune system by suppressing it. They can have an effect on memory, metabolism, cardiac health, and much more. When the immune system is suppressed, it cannot do its job effectively. That makes us more susceptible to illness and disease. Whether you believe it or not, or whether you like it or not, your mind and your body are inextricably connected. Learn to listen to and respect both. Do so, and the rewards will be endless. Now let's talk a little about spirit. This is one of those terms that can be difficult to define, unlike the body and the mind. My simple definition is that a person's spirit is that person's authentic self at the core, deep inside. Having said that, I also believe that many of us are not always in touch with our authentic selves, assuming we even know who we are authentically. If that's the case, then how does one learn about oneself at a deeper level? Well, we do so by feeling. If we pay close attention to our feelings and take the time to embrace our true feelings, I think we can learn a lot about ourselves and how we feel about how true we are being to ourselves and to our spirit. You can probably substitute the terms soul or core for the term spirit. In any case, it's something to think about. My whole point with this is to emphasize that wellness is achieved by giving equal attention and respect to your mind, body, and spirit, the entire package, because they are all interconnected. Let me turn now to the idea of self-nurturing. Following are some guidelines to consider in that process. 1. Take care of your bodies by giving them regular exercise, good nutrition, and sound rest and relaxation. 2. Take care of your minds by making choices that will keep stress to a minimum. Learn how to establish healthy boundaries in your life. 3. Improve your life skills wherever possible, especially your problem-solving skills. 4. Get in touch with your authentic self and embrace who you are and who you want to be. Choose behaviors that nurture your spirit and your soul. 5. Most importantly, strive to always have an attitude of gratitude. So there you have it, my friends. Please take good care of yourselves and of one another. I wish the best for you in all things. This is Dr. P saying aloha.